Just a hop, skip and a jump away awaits a holiday paradise for even the most seasoned of sun-seekers. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white sanded paradise where you can laze around and recharge your batteries. But our holiday isn't all cocktails on the beach. Explore the waters with a friend on a pedalo. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.